got to the part 2. We got to the part 2.
Okay.
Okay, just guys, sorry, we have to do a part 2. The table fall off. Where's my box?
Ewan ko.
Here.
Okay.
Where's our minifigures?
I got my minifigure here. Oh, there's your minifigure.
Where's my sticker? Ay, ito.
Okay. Time to open the second one.
Bro, what the? Where's that?
Bro, where
Where's
are
my
you?
other?
Huh?
Bro. Here guys, now we're opening the hard part. The tape, the ugly tape.
Hey, don't say that. Hey, you.
The ugliest.
Bro, we need scissors for this. But it's okay.
You know what? I'll rip it open.
Yeah, rip it open.
Wala ka! Bataan ako dyan? What the?
Wait, I think I will go. Oh, yeah. Guys, wait. You're just gonna wait like 1 hour.
This is what I hate of opening mystery boxes. When we go back, this is probably gone now. Right?
Oh, I got it. Yes.
Wait, just wait for me.
Two tapes na lang.
Get this tape off me. I hate that tape. If I could just rip this, I would. And I forgot to say, shout out Lay for joining this video. You should probably follow her on TikTok. What's your TikTok? Say it.
It's a long name.
Just say it.
I'm just gonna put it below. Oh, I almost got it. Okay. Last piece of tape. And finally, I'm done. Wait. I'm not done yet. Guys.
I hate tape. Guys, can I rip this?
No. You're gonna ruin the box.
There's all the box.
You can't
What we
ruin
did
the
to the
box.
box.
I don't care. Okay, okay, guys. I open it now.
No. You do it. I don't know how to
Bro,
do it.
Bro, are you kidding me right now? Wait.
The hell? Okay.
Okay, time to open it.
Skibidi read it.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we got this again. What should...
It was fine. I don't care. Manual. Here's my manual. And here's my manual again. And we actually forgot to show the back. Here's the bag. And here's the bag. Wait, I don't see my
Rip it open.
fingers.
Okay. Ooh, a white one. Oh, I got the white one. Oh my
I got the shirt! Bro.
You got
Bro,
the
fix it.
secret one. I want it.
Did I get the secret? Did I actually get the secret?
Wait.
I got the secret!
No,
I got
you
the
didn't get the secret.
Yeah.
That's okay. We have one more. I mean now.
Bro,
Okay.
where's my other sticker?
I got the white one. I love this too. Now, I got the Okay,
Let me
Baba.
just see. Guys, I wish you could see